Hello students, welcome to your English class. So students, as we are discussing about the play in your book, that is The Proposal. So students, we have read about the author's biography, about the Russian marriage and about a short summary of the play. So students, today we will start the chapter reading along with the dialogues in your book. So let's get started. A drawing room in Chubukov's house. Lumov enters wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Chubukov rises to meet him. तो स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले जैसे ही पर्दे खुलते हैं, स्टेज ओपन होती है, देन इन अ ड्राइंग रूम of Chubukov's house, Lumov enters and he was wearing a dress, jacket and white gloves. Chubukov rises to meet him. Chubukov खड़ा हो जाता है और उससे मिलने के लिए रेडी हो जाता है. ठीक है. Then next, Chubukov, my dear fellow, whom do I see? Ivan Veslovich. I am extremely glad. Squeezes his hand. Now, this is a surprise, my darling. How are you? So, as Lumov arrives in his house, Chubukov meet him very pleasantly and ask him that he is very glad to meet him and he is very surprised to see him in his house. So, and he also asked him that how was he? So, Lumov, thank you and how may you be getting on? तो Lumov उसको जवाब में बोलता है थैंक यू, मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, ठीक हूँ, एंड आप बताइए आप कैसे हैं, क्या चल रहा है. जैसे कि हमारे घर में कोई भी गेस्ट आता है, देन वी ऑल्सो ग्रीट देम accordingly. Okay, so Chubukov, we just get along somehow, my angel, thanks to your prayers and so on. Sit down please do. अब Chubukov जो है उसे बोलता है Lumov को that I am very well and this is all because of your prayers, and he asked him to sit down. Now you know you shouldn't forget all about your neighbors, my darling. अब उसको वो कहता है कि अच्छी बात है आप यहाँ पे आए एंड आते रहना चाहिए. Don't forget your neighbors, never. Okay, my darling, and my darling is the gesture that he is calling Lumov a dear. Okay, next, my dear fellow, why are you so formal in your get-up? Evening dress, gloves and so on. Can you be going anywhere, my treasure? अब Chubukov जो है Lumov को पूछता है कि मेरे प्यारे तुम इतने अच्छे फॉर्मल ड्रेस में आज क्यों आए हो? एक इवनिंग ड्रेस पहना है, ग्लव्स पहने हैं एंड ये सब तैयार होकर, एंड व्हाई आर यू इन दिस ड्रेसअप? कैन यू बी गोइंग एनीवेयर? क्या तुम कहीं जा रहे हो मेरे प्यारे ट्रेजर? यहाँ ट्रेजर भी उसने एज अ डेयर ही यूज़ किया है, जैसे हम किसी को प्यार से बुलाते हैं, एड्रेस करते हैं. ओके, देन Lumov जो है, what did he say? No, I have come only to see you, honored Stepin Stepanovich. अब Lumov बोलता है no, there is no matter of anything. Occasionally I have dressed up the same, but I am here only to meet you. और honored Stepin Stepanovich, honored उनको अच्छे से greet करता है Chubukov. Then why are you in evening dress, my precious? अब वो उसको बोलता है कि ठीक है, you are coming to meet me in my house and why it is not important to wear evening dress and why are you in this evening dress, my precious? उसको कहता है my dear, why are you in evening dress? As if you are paying a New Year's Eve visit. तो वो कहता है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे हम किसी न्यू ईयर ईव पे न्यू ईयर मनाने एक दूसरे के घर जाते हैं, ग्रीट करते हैं, उस तरह से तुम तैयार होकर घर पे आए हो. एंड व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट? ही जस्ट बिकेम सम इनक्विजिटिव इन नेचर, दैट्स व्हाई he asks such questions. So Lumov replies, well, you see, it's like this. Takes his arm. I have come to you, honored Stepan Stepanovich, to trouble you with a request. Now, Lumov reveals that he has come to his house for a favor, for a request, and take his arm, अपनी उसकी उसके जो हाँ बाजू पकड़ता है और उसे ये सब बोलता है. Then, not once or twice, I have already had the privilege of applying to you for help, and you have always sought to speak. I must ask your pardon. Pardon means excuse. So, he said that not once, you twice help me always. I always come to you and you always help me. And this time I want to ask you for something न्यू. आई एम गेटिंग एक्साइटेड. अब फिर वो कहता है कि मैं एक्साइट हो रहा हूँ जो है आई शुड ड्रिंक सम वाटर. जो बात करते करते मतलब पूरी बात ही हैज़ नॉट कंप्लीटेड द होल conversation and just being paused, he just said that he want to drink some water on a Stepan Stepanovich, okay, and he just drinks some water. Then Chubukov aside, he's come to borrow money. Shan't give him any allowed. What is it, my beauty? अब चुबकोब जो है उसके मन में दो तरह के ख्यालात चल रहे हैं. एक तो अंदर इंटरनली ही जस्ट asking to himself that Lumov has come to borrow some money from him, and I am not going to give him any money. And externally he's just pretended that he is very happy and asked Lumov, what is it, my beauty? मेरे प्यारे क्या है. ब्यूटी यहाँ पे फिर उसने इसीलिए यूज़ किया है कि मेरे खूबसूरत मेरे बच्चे. हाँ जी, बताइए किस काम के लिए आप यहाँ पर आए हैं. देन Lumov asked, you see, honored Stepan Stepanovich, I beg pardon, Stepan Honorovich. I mean, I am awfully excited, as you will please notice. अब क्या होता है, Lumov इतना ज़्यादा एक्साइट हो गया है, इतना ज़्यादा नर्वस हो गया है that he pronounced the name of Stepan Stepanovich incorrectly. पहले वो ऑनर्ड स्टेपनोविच बोलता है, फिर स्टेपन हॉनरोविच बोलता है. मतलब ही जस्ट फॉरगॉट द नेम ऑफ चुबकोव. ही इज सो मच एक्साइटेड, दैट मच एक्साइटेड, ओके. एंड फिर वो बोलता है कि आई एम सो वेरी एक्साइटेड एज यू सी इन माई बिहेवियर. आई एम बिहेविंग लाइक दैट. देन इन शॉर्ट, यू alone can help me, though I don't deserve it, of course, and haven't any right to count on your assistance. अब वो बोलता है कि मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ पर मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ because of my excitedness. So in short, you are the only one that can help me, but I know I don't deserve that help. If you think I haven't any right to count on your assistant. मुझे तुम्हारी आपकी हेल्प की जो है बहुत ज़रूरत है, लेकिन अगर आप ये चाहेंगे तो ही ये हो पाएगा. देन Chubukov said, oh, don't go round and round, darling. Spit it out. तो अब Chubukov जो है he said that don't go round and round. Don't जो है बात को गोल गोल मत घुमाओ मेरे प्यारे. जल्दी से बोल दो जो भी तुम बोलना चाहते हो. Spit it out means speak the matter. What is the matter? Just speak it well. So then Lumov said, one moment. This very minute, the fact is I have come to ask the hand of your daughter, Natalia Stepanovna, in marriage. So at the last, he just admit that he has come to marry his daughter Natalia Stepanovna, and he just spit it out what is the matter to come to Chubukov's house. Now Chubukov joyfully, by Jove, Ivan Veslovich, say it again. I didn't hear it all. अब चुबकोप जो है वो बहुत ही खुश हो जाता है ये बात सुनकर, और वो कहता है बाय जोब मतलब खुशी से, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना ओ माई गॉड, एंड बाय जोब मीन्स द सेम। बाय जोब इवान वेस्लोविच उसको बोलता है कि से इट अगेन, आई डिडंट हियर व्हाट यू सेड, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया क्या बोला, दोबारा रिपीट करो। तो लुमोव said, I have the honor to ask. Just Lumov just started asking that I have the honor to ask. Then, in the conversation, Chubukov just interrupted. And then he said, my dear fellow, I'm so glad, and so on. Yes, indeed, and all that sort of thing. अब वो चुबुकोव जो है वो लुमोव से कहता है, उसको बात उसकी पूरी नहीं करने देता है, एंड जस्ट सेड दैट माय डियर फेलो, मेरे प्यारे, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई एम इंडीड, आई जस्ट वांट दैट यू marry my daughter, and embraces him, embraces means hug, and kisses Lomo. I have been hoping for it for a long time. और वो उसको बताता है कि मैं बहुत देर से यही उम्मीद कर रहा था कि I just want to marry my daughter to you. So, it's been my continual desire. Shed a tear. और जैसे ही वो ये उसको बोलता है कि मेरा ये डिज़ायर था, बहुत दिली तमन्ना थी ऐसा, एंड देन ही जस्ट बिकेम टेरी एंड बिकम इमोशनल, एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज लव्ड यू माई एंजल। अब उसको बोलता, मैं तुम्हें शुरू से ही पसंद करता था, शुरू से ही प्यार करता था, और तुम मेरे लिए एक एंजल की तरह हो। यू आर an angel for me, as if you were my own son, and I consider you as my own son. My God, give you both. And then he just blesses him. Then his help and his love, and so on, and so much hope. But I am behaving in this idiotic way for. अब जो है जिस तरह से एक्साइट लुमोव हुआ था, वो कंफ्यूज हो रहा था बात करने के लिए, सो एज द चुबुकोव इज कंफ्यूजिंग बिकॉज ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. सो and he just asked to himself that why I'm behaving like an idiot, why I'm behaving like an idiotic way. I'm my balance with joy, absolutely of my balance. वो बोलता है कि मैं अपने दिमागी संतुलन खो बैठा हूँ because of joy and happiness of my daughter's marriage. Oh, with all my soul I'll go and call Natasha and all that. देखो इतना ज़्यादा एक्साइट है कि he just forgot the name of his own daughter Natalia, and he just called Natalia Natasha. And so Lumov, greatly moved, impressed. Honor Stepan Stepanovich, do you think I may count on her consent? अब लुमोव जो है चुबुकोव को ये सब पूछता है कि if Natalia just give him a consent of marriage, मतलब consent means accept, क्या वो मेरा जो प्रस्ताव है, मेरा प्रपोजल एक्सेप्ट करेगी? वो चुबुकोव को ये बात पूछता है. Then Chubukov, why? Of course, my darling. And it's as if she won't consent, she's in love. Aged. She's like a lovesick cat, and so on. Shan't be long. अब Chubukov उसको बोलता है कि why not? She is in love with you, and I'm sure she is in love with you, and it doesn't take any time. It doesn't take much time to accept your marriage proposal. Okay, so this is it, students. The rest of the story we will study in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you, students.